Art for Youth is a public event held at the National Art Gallery, Kuala Lumpur. This event, organized by young art entrepreneurs, was first founded in March 2019. But of course, an event wouldn't be complete without a few friends to share it with. Here we are at the venue, which is a mere walking distance from the bus stop in front of Istana Budaya.
So these are among the activities that you can join in this event for youth. So we have a graffiti workshop, we have mural workshop, we have shoe tie-dye workshop, and even poster, video, and also water collection.
Not only that, there were miniature workshops, talks given by Malaysian artists, poetry readings, and many more activities. This is the clay workshop that was being held outside the depot.
Alright, so why youth?
Why youth?
Yeah.
Youth has a lot of potential. You know, like youth is a period where when your parents are going to tell you, okay, you're going to go to university, then you're going to study medicine, lawyer, and stuff. But no one's focusing much on art. And I'm one of them lah. My parents asked me to do business. Practicality wins. I succumbed to it. And then now I'm back to my passion lah. So I want to tell youth these days that this industry is actually very possible in terms of seeing it as a career. And we would love to actually inspire more people to take up art.
Targeted at youth and everyone who is passionate about the arts, whether visual, audible, or even performative. It was a day for the community to gather and network, learn how to make art and share creative work. Most importantly, empower our youth.